Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Unfortunately, I just opened the short. My stop loss is around 48.44. The likelihood of us dropping like this is kind of high. The last time we actually ended up having a similar trigger from right here, we actually ended up dropping from highs of 43.424 to lows of 39.199, right? And then we just kind of been trading sideways like this. I do hope that I get completely it hits my stop loss and we moon from here. The the more probable TA shows that we'll see a drop. More than likely to 36,336. That's the probability right now. That's the forecast. Again, I hope I'm wrong on this because I opened a short and I want to be stopped out, but just hedging, taking the normal precaution. Opened up a short, and we'll see what happens. But again, I really hope that Bitcoin absolutely freaking tears a new one on everybody's faces that's short. But for right now, I'm hedging down to more than likely my forecast. The forecast is 36.3. Strong probability that we go back to 34,236 because we've had really good support and really good drawdown to that level, right? You have market structure here on that wick. So actually, I should probably move this up a little bit. So probably like right there. So 34,590 would actually be the max target, and the shorter frame forecast would be 36.3. But yeah, as of right now, I am short. I hope I get stopped out, but we'll see what happens. I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.